Hello, you're listening to Elizabeth Mulhane, and I'm just making this recording to talk about the importance of a daily 5-minute practice. Many people go into their mindfulness and their meditation practice just too eager and too keen, and they can burn out. And the best way to maintain a practice that's really going to work and work very quickly is to do a 5-minute morning practice. You just take 5 minutes, and it's only 5 minutes because of the time pressure in people's lives, particularly women, when there's children in the house or a partner. It's not always a good time first thing in the morning to just disappear. And so that's why it's just for 5 minutes, which is totally acceptable. But you're really utilizing this 5 minutes in a very powerful way. You sit there for your 5 minutes in just your own little bubble, and you connect with your breath and just be here now. And then you think about who you want to be for the day. You think about why you're here, get down to that basic, fundamental level of interconnections with other human beings and wanting to flourish. That's why you're here. And get in that headspace where you're going to enjoy your day. You're going to flourish. It's going to be a good day. And that's what your 5 minutes is for, to get into that conscious headspace. You're just prepping up for the day, and you're feeling your joy. If it wasn't already there, then you build it in that 5 minutes. You can change your state of mind quite quickly when you get down to your core beliefs. Okay, and so that's why every day you're touching base with that core belief of, why am I here? And it's to have those interconnections. It's to have love, to receive love, and to give love, and to flourish. So you really need to give that 5 minutes to yourself. And sometimes we don't do things if we're just doing them for ourselves. And so then we can tweak that in our mind. And, you need to understand that if you take that 5 minutes for yourself, you're doing that for your family. Okay, so it's easy to understand how that works. And your whole environment is going to start to flourish. Okay, because you as an individual have raised your energy and your joy level and your compassion. You've raised all those feelings and energies and vibrations within you, and then that's going out into your environment, and it's raising everyone else up in your environment. So it's really a win-win, and it's a wonderful way to live your life. It's just so important that you have that schedule, that habit, that routine that you get into, and that you just do that every morning. Okay, so I really hope that's helped, and I hope that you do get into that practice and just enjoy the flourishing that just a simple 5-minute meditation can bring to your life. Okay, thank you for listening.